Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel and select the text option, edit by rating. Select the size option, adjust the size. Select the font option, adjust the font. Copy the letter, select the copy option. Crop the photo, select the crop option. Then select the shape button, adjust the shape. The shape, select the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Select the erase color, enable button down. Copy the shape, select the copy option. Adjust the shape, adjust the rating. And then save the shape, select the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Copy the rating, select the copy option. Change the color, select the color option. Enable button down. Adjust the color. Adjust the photo. Save the photo, select the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Then select the boss button. Enable button down. Nesty. Advanced. Reveal. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.